Hello everyone, welcome to another one of my videos. I'm just going to break down a little bit of the S&P 500, how it's reacting, and I'm going to go through some of the stocks to which I have invested and some of the stocks to which I took a loss because I went bearish when the market is bullish, which is a mistake, obviously. So let me just put this camera a little bit lower. So as a starters, as I've said before, we have broken down the trend line over here, and then I was expecting to have a pullback a little bit lower than it is. However, as we can see, the price has reached this support area, has reached the 20 EMA, and has reacted yesterday with a big engulfing candlestick, making a big engulfing candlestick pattern after reacting from the support area. And today we have obtained a little bit more volume, and still we are on uptrend, to which to me it lets me know that the market seems that is going to start another uptrend and move. So with that in mind, I'll be looking into more buying trades. Plus, because the market has reacted this way, the sells or the shorts that I had, some I took a loss, and basically three I took a loss, and one I took a slight profit, which is not much, but at the end of the day, is within my risk tolerance, and I've reduced the risk because I enter each trade with a little percentage of the total amount to which I will be trading on each stock or each asset, and therefore I reduce the risk on those stocks. Now, if we go to, we can start with my shorts. So I got one short or at, excuse me, at UFPI, to which has reacted impulsively to the upside. So I basically just took a loss because general market is bullish. I'll move this to this way as well. I got a tap to which the price has reacted, to which I actually wanted to stay because I'm on profit. However, because the general market is bullish, I've just took a profit, and even if it goes lower, because the general market is bullish, the likelihood that the price, even if it goes down eventually, it might take a while. I prefer to get out, and then if the market starts going bearish, I'll probably jump back in. Took a loss on BXP, to which, as we can see, is a big bullish candle. Not only gapped, but it still continued to go up. Therefore, I took a loss. And SPG as well took a loss just close by to my entry point, and therefore it is what it is. So we cannot win every single trade. Some trades go okay, other trades don't, and it is part of being a trader. With that said, let's go to our bullish stocks. We got BLX, to which today is behaving really well. I had set up my last trade on Friday, to which has reacted and broke this descending pattern over here. I think I did post this as well on the trading view. So because it broke and it had a bit more of volume, as we can see over here, I set a trade a little bit late. However, still today, because we're still in time, we still today, we got good news because it's still going up. We got Pam, to which is not playing very nice today. The volume seems to be increasing to the downside, to which I'm not very happy about it, but it is what it is. The market needs to do its thing. If it goes up, it goes up. If it goes down, and hits stop loss, it is what it is. As long as we keep within our risk parameters, we're still good to play the game. Exelysis, I always have difficulty saying this name. Exelysis, we had an overextended, price move. Now has moved to the downside. To me, seems to be moving sideways. Now it is reacting from the 10 EMA. And if we have a bit of a descending channel, probably even see better on the 4 hour time frame. Yeah. give or take a descending channel over here. And therefore, if the price breaks this descending channel, I'll most likely set another trade here. However, on the weekly, we're too far away from the 10 EMA on the weekly. We're too far away of the 10 EMA on the weekly. Excuse me. How far are we? It's about 8%. So if it breaks, I will not set another trade in. But it could very well keep going up like crazy, but it is what it is. It's too far away for me from the 10 EMA on the weekly, and therefore I will just let it play out. Uber is going okay, still increasing, to which is good. We got a bit of a gap, closed at 87.78, had a bit of a gap, came down, came back up in this closing nearby the open, to which to me it's good news. But as it is at the time being, I will not be interested on getting another trade or setting up another entry just because the price is too overextended from the weekly 10 EMA. We got Vert, to which at the time being it seems that it's trying to break this trend line, but it was unable today, so we might see a little bit of a lower price pull back down and might break at some point, hopefully not touching our stop loss. VLGA, to which has reacted very well today, has reacted on Friday very well as well, to which I'm happy. I just leave as it is because I could actually set another trade today, but the volume is a bit dry. He has broken the pattern, reacted from the 50 MA support area. Pair of tweezers engulfed, but lower volume. I'll just leave it as is. Even if it continues to go up like crazy from today, I'll probably just wait for a pullback, get to another support area, and then if it moves with volume, I'll probably set another trade up. But as it is at the time being, I'll just leave it to play out. We got Kuros, to which is almost hitting our first TP. However, as it is at the time being, it seems that it's having difficulty breaking the 1466. I would just 1466 structure, but I'll just leave it to play out, see what is going to happen. As well, I need to be aware that the price seems to be on an ascending channel. However, the reason why I'm still on this trade is because we have got a 414% increase, surprise increase on reported earnings, and we got an 11,000% surprise on revenue as well, to which is massively good. So, however, it seems that people or institutions have not seen this stock yet with its earnings, and therefore are not doing anything about it. But I'm still invested in this stock, and I'll continue to stay on it. Well, depending if there's a massive bearish, move with volume in, I'll probably get out. But as it is at the time being, I'll just let it play out. We got TW, to which at the time being is still playing okay, as always on the weekly. We got 3%, to which is still within parameters, is forming a descending wedge, to which if the price does break out with volume, I will most likely enter another trade. We got Peloton, to which at the time being has gained volume to the downsides. What we got? Extended. How much has extended? It has extended 15%. 7%. I'm not liking Peloton, so I think now I am going to take the profit as it is, just because the price is too overextended from the 10 EMA. So that's Pelotons. We got BSX, to which I've set up a trade after the breakout with a higher volume. And at the time being, it's not playing out very well, but it is what it is. If it goes up, it goes up. If it doesn't go up, it goes down. It is what it is. At the time being, we are 3% overextended from or extended from the 10 EMA, so I'm not scared about it. It is what it is. We got CPRX, to which today has broke this trend line, but the volume is not the best, so I am not going to set up another trade. However, it's playing out fairly okay, so I just leave it as is. We got BZ, to which I've got this trade today. I should have set up the trade on Friday, to which we do have black volume here. But if you read the actual charts, the price has gapped from 1794 to 1661, and then came back to take over the 20 EMA after bouncing from the 50 EMA and this support area. To which, to me, this counterattack candlestick is, to me, it means that it's a strong stock, and therefore we should see increase in of the stock, so increase in price on this for BSAT. And we got here Shopify as well. Shopify was close to the 10 EMA, to which at the time being is at 7%, so it's a bit risky. However, I do like how the pattern or how the market is moving. It's gapped all the way up. It came back down. It reacted from this support area, to which we have multiple touched, gapped up, and is still going up. And then we have high volume at this point, to which is there, to which means that there's no move, but there's volume. It's a bit concerning. However, as it is, I've already set up the trade. I like the stock. I like how it moves. The earnings are good as well for it. We have 1.25%, to which we got reported 25, estimated 25.3. To which it's not the best, but then we got a 70 million increase, which is 0.79. It's not the best. However, at the same time, how the market is behaving, I do like it. It gapped up, it came back to support, it gapped and is going up anyway. So I'll just leave it and see how the market plays out. And that's it for today. I went through the S&P 500, to which, to me, is still in the bullish trend. We are retaking a bullish momentum at the time being, and therefore just let it play out. I've set up two trades on BZ and Shopify, to which are going very well. XLS is going okay. Uber is going all right. We got VLGEA, to which is going all right as well. We got BLX. So I'm happy with most of my trades. And as I said before, I just need to let it play out. We have a strategy to which we need to follow, and that's what basically I am doing. Is just carry out step by step in building my portfolio and capital one step at a time. As long as you have a strategy, you know what you're doing, you know what you're following. Long term profit is mostly guaranteed as long as you know that your strategy is profitable. So with that said, thank you very much for watching another one of my videos. Thank you, and see you next time.